fine, just carry on rolling because I can edit this afterwards. I'm gonna leave the tires for last because that's the best. So basically, I got this frame, no, I got the whole bike from Ryan like a year ago, right? Basically everything has been replaced except the frame, the fork, and the 2 wheels. We got the Cult Crew handlebars, 935 rise, 30 wide, but I cut them down to 28 now. We got this random jet stem. I don't really know much about it. Cult Sean Canny grips. These are really soft and comfortable. They're probably the best grips in my opinion. Sabrosa signature matte race seat with the Gucci print on it. Shout out to Alfredo Mancuso for that. He sent me this through from California. We got this Bash Guard Salt Plus sprocket. It's 25 tooth and I got 9 teeth on the back. Cult Crew, just regular pedals. Metal Odyssey pegs, I think. I'm probably gonna switch to plastics really soon. I just bought these when I was like first getting into BMX. We got an Odyssey cassette rim on the back. Yeah. I believe this is a fit frame, 20.75 top tube. And then yeah, we got these tires, Cult Vans, blue camo tires. They're 20-inch and the maximum PSI is 65. I run between 40 and 45 PSI because, you know, it's just way too hard for skate park and whatnot. Is that done? Have we done everything?